Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? All are happy today? Yes. Let's start our prayer. All of you stand up. Oh, Almighty God, bless us all, bless us all. When we flourish with big and tall, look at me when I pray. Take care of me throughout the day. Take care of me throughout the day. Take care of me throughout the day. All of you sit down? Yes. Children, let's revise alphabets A to T. A for album, B for ball. Click, click, photo, throw, catch, ball. C for cat, D for doll. C for cat, D for dog. Meow meow. Hello. E for egg, F for fox. E for egg, F for fox. Yummy yummy. Ooh. E for egg, F for fox. G for yes. G for give, H for hose. G for give, H for hose. I for ink pot, J for jam. Right. Yummy, yummy. What do you do with ink pot? Right. Jam is yummy, yummy. L for lock, K for key. Twist, open. Twist, open. M for mango. M for mango. Yummy, yummy. Tasty. N for neck. M for mango. N for neck. O for oats. P for plant. Moo, oats. P for plant. Plant gives us fresh air. Moo, oats. Plant gives us fresh air. Q for key, R for rose. Q for key, lovely key. R for rose, beautiful rose. S for star, T for top, shiny star, round and round top. Hope all of you enjoyed the revision. Yes. Next, today I will introduce one new letter. Which letter? Yes, wait and see. Okay. Look, my dear children, look here. This is a balloon. Look here, today I will introduce the new letter. Cap letter U and small letter U. The balloon is flying in the sky. Look, my dear children. Yes, today I will introduce the letter U. U for up. Yes, U for up. Look here. Yes, up means mugalilekku. Yes, up means mugalilekku. U says up. Children, we will learn some more words for U. Look here, the next word is under. Look, my dear children, the cup is under the chair. Look here, this is a cup, this is a chair. The cup is under the chair. Look here, ഈ ചെയറിന്റെ താഴെയാണ് കപ്പ്. Under means താഴെ. The cup is under the chair. Look here. Next is unhappy. All of you look here. What is this? Yes, U for unhappy. Unhappy means feeling sad. Look, my dear children. Feeling sad? നിങ്ങൾ sad face ആയിട്ട് ഒന്ന് കാണിച്ചേ. Yes? U for unhappy. Upset ആയിട്ട് ഇരിക്കുമ്പോഴാണ് നമ്മൾ unhappy ആവുക. Okay? Look, my dear children. Next is udder. U for udder. This is udder. Udder is a part of female cattle. Goat, sheep or cows. It is found in between their back legs. Okay. U for udder. Next is umbrella. Look here. This is an umbrella. You have umbrella? Yes. What is the color of umbrella? Blue, red, orange? Yes. Wow, very good. This is an umbrella. This is an object. We use. Why? നമ്മൾ എപ്പോഴാണ് യൂസ് ചെയ്യാം? Yes. Rainy season or very hot time. നമ്മൾ വെയിലുള്ളപ്പോഴും മഴയത്ത് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് യൂസ് ചെയ്യും? Umbrella. This is an umbrella. U for umbrella. Underwear is an inner garment. We use underwear to protect our private area. Children, where is your private part? Yes. Can you see the picture? This is your private part. You must daily wear underwear. Clean and neat. Okay. All of you take your textbook? Yes. Page number 15. Yes. This is capital letter U. This is small letter U. U for under. U for under. U for unhappy. U for up. U for up. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. U for udder. U for udder. U for underwear. U for underwear. My dear children, all of you look at the board. How to write capital letter U and small letter U. All of you listen here. Yes? Okay. This is capital letter U. How to write capital letter U? Yes, upward open curve. Like upward open curve. എങ്ങനെയാ U എഴുതുക? Yes, upward open curve. This is capital letter U. Okay, how to write capital letter U? Children, look here. This is capital letter U. Children, say which letter is this? Yes, capital letter U. This is capital letter U. How to write small letter U? This is small upward open curve and small standing line. This is small letter U. This is small upward open curve and small standing line. This is small letter U. Small upward open curve and small standing line. This is small letter U. Capital letter U, small letter U. Look, my dear children, capital letter U, small letter U. Okay. Let's trace the letter capital letter U and small letter U. This is capital letter U. Look, my dear children, this is capital letter U. How to trace small letter U? This is small upward open curve and small standing line. This is small letter U. Small upward open curve and small standing line. This is small letter U. Next is our math session. The bell has rang. Today we will revise our math session. Okay. Last class we learned the number 16. Okay. 16 numbers vare പഠിച്ചില്ലേ എല്ലാവരും? Yes. All of you look here. Today, my dear children, today we will count 1 to 16 numbers. All of you count together with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. Yes. That's all for math session. Let's go to EVS session. The bell has rang. Yes. Last class we learned. Yes. Vehicles on land. Vehicles on air. Vehicles on. Today I will teach you vehicles on water. Water kuda pona vehicles ആണ് vehicles on water. Which are the vehicles on water? First one is ship. Ship is a vehicle on water. It is very big vehicle on water. Large number of people travel in a ship. കുറേ പേർക്ക് travel ചെയ്യാൻ ഷിപ്പിൽ. Ship is a big vehicle. നിങ്ങൾ ഷിപ്പിൽ യാത്ര ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടോ? Yes? Yes. Very good. It is very good. Yes. Large number of people travel in a ship. Okay. Next is boat. You know boat? Yes. നിങ്ങൾ boat കണ്ടിട്ടില്ലേ? Yes. Yes. Boat is a vehicle on water. Boat നമ്മുടെ വാട്ടറിൽ ഒരു vehicle ആണ്. Yes. Short distanceൽ യാത്ര ചെയ്യാൻ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന vehicle ആണ് boat. Boat is also used for fishermen for fishing. Fishermen ഒക്കെ boat യൂസ് ചെയ്യാറില്ലേ? എന്തിനാ fishermen യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? Yes. This is a ferry. Ferry is a type of boat. Ferry എന്തിനാ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? Yes. ഡീപ്പ് ആയിട്ട് പ്ലേസിൽ ഫിഷിങ്ങിനും ട്രാവൽ ചെയ്യാനും നമ്മൾ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നതാണ് ferry. Yes. Next is yacht. My dear children, this is yacht. Yacht is a sailing type, one medium sailing boat. What is this? Yacht. Yacht എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഒരു medium type sailing boat ആണ്. Yes? Okay. Next is yacht. This is a yacht. Yacht is another type of boat. It is used for traveling. നമ്മൾ traveling യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന type boat ആണ് yacht. So, our vehicles on water is finished. Which are the vehicles on water? Yes, children, say with me. Yes. Ship, yacht, ferry, what? Yes, boat. Yes. Ship, boat, ferry, yacht. Again, say with me. Okay. Ship, boat, ferry, yacht. Yes? Very good. Very good, my children. So, we wind up our EVS session. Yes. Let's wind up our class with a wind-up song. Goodbye, goodbye, see you again. Goodbye, goodbye, see you, my friends. Goodbye, goodbye, had fun today. We all had fun today. Bye-bye.